Hi, this is from Ladi Biosas and Greek Artisans. We are here today, Inspiration Days at Fair Plaza in the Netherlands, with my products, Ladi Biosas from my family, Mala Peruviana. We have a very nice masticha drink from Greece as well. And today we're demonstrating demo cooking with Cec's Kitchen, the famous chef from the Netherlands. She's making a French toast topped with a very nice artisan handmade ice cream. And we have also a very nice chiffon orange cake made with Ladi Biosas. So we are very happy and we are very pleased to see you here at Fair Plaza at Inspiration Days.
So today we are in Fair Plaza, so I'm cooking the food station. So I have made some French toast. So I have some Luneta Ice Cream with me, and then a more kitchen with us as well. We're making a French toast using brioche buns is perfect for it instead of a regular bread. See, I forget. So what we have here is some milk, an egg, and cinnamon ground. So we just soak it. That's it. We fry it for like 1-2 minutes and then flip it over. French toast. It's a brioche with the cannelle and then the almond milk. So it's kind of like a pan of food, but on the French. And that's it. Then we put an ice cream on top and some olive oil. There's a pineapple upside down cake here with the extra virgin olive oil. And then this is a chiffon cake with the orange olive oil. So this ice cream is from Luneta Ice Cream. This is a pineapple one. And what flavor of olive oil do you like? The lemon or the orange?
Which one's the best?
I think the orange. And that's it. So guys, this is the pineapple upside down cake from Amor Kitchen. So instead of using butter, we use the extra virgin olive oil from Ladi Biosas. So I will ask Amor Kitchen the recipe and I'll put it down in the description down below. Follow him in his Instagram, Amor Kitchen.